Good morning. This is Natalia Bermejo, Product and Content Specialist in Sensofar, and today I'm bringing you the new capabilities of SensoVIEW 1.8. The first one is going to be the possibility of using different channels for the edge detection. So if, for example, we click here, we're going to see how the edge detection is going to see the data only when taking into consideration the data in Z. Sometimes using different channels is going to be better, so actually we can see more features, and this is exactly the case on this file. So for example, if I use the color information, for example, this circle here is going to be easier to actually detect. More flexible edge detection on circles. So right now, even though those circles are not perfect, they have some extremities, we can actually detect them without any problem. As well as to extrapolate a circle from a march. Another improvement on the circle edge detection is the fact that when it comes to a big file, right now if we want to measure the circle with this tool, it's going to actually perform as expected. New critical dimensions. So right now we have two different critical dimensions available, the point minimum and the point maximum, as well as the distance between those 2 points. This can be also performed in the profile. Enhance functionality on the restore operator. So right now, the restore actually is going to show us in green what are the areas that we're going to restore, okay? And we can change those areas with these options. We can exclude the background, and we can select different areas by group size by moving this slider. Or we can exclude by row, meaning that we're going to draw what parts are going to be inside the restored areas, okay? Also, this restore operator now has more options in the restore method when it comes to single value. So for example, we can actually go and select a custom value, and we can put the value that we want. More options on the crop operator. So now we can crop with more options than ever. We can crop by the surroundings of the object. We can do a crop on circle, or we can do a freeform. And finally, the last improvement is in the form removal operator. So right now, we are able to actually output not the subtraction of the form, but the form subtracted. And that is it for this new version, which is a lot. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.